By the time British officers ordered the regulars back to Boston, they had been awake for most of 2 days and had marched about 18 miles to get to Concord. Dragging their wounded on carts, they set out for Boston. But militiamen had converged on their route and outnumbered them by more than 2 to 1. As the regulars traveled the battle road back to Charlestown in military formation, militiamen fired at them, not in organized lines as soldiers were accustomed to, but in the style they had learned from indigenous Americans, shooting from behind trees, houses, and the glacial boulders littered along the road. This way of war used the North American landscape to their advantage, enabling them to pick off British officers, dressed in distinct uniforms, first. One regular recalled, "The country was full of hills, woods, stone walls, and so on, which were all lined with people who kept an incessant fire upon us, as we did too upon them, but not with the same advantage, for they were so concealed there was hardly any seeing them." The imbalance of the battle road showed in the casualty lists. By the end of the day, 73 regulars were dead, 174 were wounded, and 26 were missing. 49 colonists were dead, 41 wounded, and 5 missing. By the next morning, more than 15,000 militiamen surrounded the town of Boston. The colonists had begun to feel their power.